it going, Greenhouse? My name is Desiree, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can bring new clients into your business and expand your business. Most likely you're wondering why I'm taking my time to do this for you. Well, you're lucky because I totally understand what it's like to run a business. I know business owners are so focused on running the business that they are not really sure how the internet can influence clients to come into their business. And so the hesitation they have in hiring an expert is they don't really know who an expert is and how they can help them with their internet portion of their business. So I found that by giving people a free easy attack plan, a couple different things can actually happen. And one is that it helps our local economy by helping your business bring new clients in. And another thing is sometimes business owners are just too busy to do all of these things on their own. So they end up reaching back out to me and hiring me, which obviously helps my business. So if at the end of the video you realize, hey, we really like all the information Desiree gave us, reach out to me and I'm happy to help. So number one thing we want to talk about is the content on your website. So I have your website pulled up here. So to help you rank number 1 in Google, you want to have at least 1,500 words with keywords that Google is looking at to rank you above your competitors. So the top 5 keywords for your specific industry that people are searching for every month are Molly maids, cleaning services, house cleaning, commercial cleaning services, and cleaning companies near me. So when we do a Google search, those are the top 5 things that people are looking for. You want to make sure that those keywords are embedded in your content, and you want to have at least 1,500 words. When you do put your content on here, you want to make sure that you're bolding the keywords so that when Google optimizes your page, it's looking for those and can rank you above your competitors. This tool here is called SEO Quake. It's a free Google Chrome extension that you can download. Click on page info here. It's going to show you how many words you have on your home page. You have about 320. Super easy for you to fix. Add some more content onto your home page and add those keywords. It's showing you the keywords here that you're already ranking for. So those are the keywords and the keyword phrases that you're ranking in Google for and how many times they're repeated. If you look at your competitors though, Tidy Casa is your number 1 competitor in Google. They're ranking in the number 1 spot. You pull up their SEO Quake page info, you can see that they do have over 1,000 words and they're ranking for these specific keywords. So it's something that's super easy for you guys to fix. You can look at Queen of Maids, take a look at their page info. They have over 2,000 words. And the Cleaning Authority for Chandler, they have just under 1,000 words. So that's an easy fix for you guys. When I do a Google search, you can see the number 1 thing that you see after looking house cleaning services near me are your ads. So anything that says sponsored, those are the people who are paying for ads. Now, some studies do show that ads are only semi-effective and it can become a money pit if they're not being used effectively. So after the ads, I see Yelp. That doesn't really count as a number 1 ranking spot. So we want to look here for things that are not directories. Tidy Casa is in that number 1 spot. So the next thing that we want to talk about are citations. That's the next visible part of our Google search here. That is your Google map listing. How do you get listed? Well, you list your business name, address, and phone number. Create a Google business page. You can see here you are not in the top spots. They only list the top 3 or 4 pages here. So you want to make sure that you're getting citations. Business citations are being listed in business directories like Yelp, the Yellow Pages, Google Maps, the MapQuest. You want to make sure that you have more than your competitors. You want to have between 200 to 300 business citations. That's going to get you ranked up in the map listings. Now, the next area here are your backlinks. Backlinks are considered something like link juice. That is when site A is pointing to site B and bringing more traffic in to your page. It gives you authority over the other web pages. When we search for your page, you can see here you're not number 1. Queen of Mage is in the number 2 spot. Again, we're not counting directory listings as a Google ranking. The cleaning authority is your 3rd. So as I keep scrolling down here, it takes me, I see some more ads, but I'm not showing you guys here on this first Google page. So in order to get listed on the first page and eventually take over that number 1 spot, what you want to have is authoritative backlinks over your competitors. That's going to tell Google that you have authority over your competitors, which means that you want to have backlinks from other sites that are in your same industry. You don't want to go get a Pizza Hut listing. You don't want to be listed on like a sports website because that's not what you're doing for a living. So again, we can look at SEO Quake. So if I look here at your website, Going Green, you have 267 backlinks with 87 of them referring back to your site. When I pull you up in Ahrefs, Ahrefs is not a free tool. This one costs up to $300 a month. Now, this is a ranking system here. It ranks your domain, and you see the URL rating. It shows the strength of your page. You want these 2 ratings to be equivalent. You have a 29 and a 7. You want both of those to be the same number. That is a trust factor. You want to have the same trust factor. So I'm looking here at your backlinks and your referring domains again. But if I look at Tidy Casa, I can see they have just under 2,000 backlinks and 567 of them are pushing traffic back to their page. That's something that's easy to beat. You can definitely go out and get those backlinks. So you want to make sure that you're getting that link juice. So once again, what we looked at today is the content on your page. You want to have at least 1,500 words with keywords that are being most searched in Google to get Google to optimize your page and pull you back up in that number 1 spot. The second thing that we looked at are your citations to get you ranking up in the Google Map page. You want to have at least 200 to 300 of these to beat out your competition by a landslide. And number 3 is your link juice and your backlinks. So you want to make sure you're getting the backlinking back to your page to show Google that you have authority over your competition. So if you implement those strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google. So now what? You can definitely take those strategies, implement them yourself, and start getting your page ranked up in Google. Anytime you come up in the Google rankings, it generates more business into your company, brings you in more clients. Or if you're not sure how to go about this, give me a call. My name is Desiree. My phone number is 602-560-5428. Again, my name's Desiree. Phone number is 602-560-5428. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.